Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Mumin Ali Munshi and you are watching One Take. On the show today we have a little firecracker who's captured the nation's imagination courtesy her good looks, talent and consistent performance. She made her debut last year with the super hit film Janan, and ever since there's been no looking back for the talented actress who's going places. Please welcome the next big thing, Hania Amir.
Hi, what was that?
I don't know, that was an introduction. Why are you laughing?
It was so funny.
Okay.
Like you made me sound so cool.
You are cool, no?
Okay. It's like okay. I
So
don't even feel like there are cameras around.
That's the best part, no?
Okay.
So generally when we do this show ना मुझे होता है कि celebrity थोड़ा engaging हो, थोड़ा सा active हो, कि मजे का interview हो, but आज it's the opposite. आज will I be able to live up to Hania Amir and the great energy that she possesses? So energy कहाँ से आती है Hania? What's this all about?
I don't know, man. I'm just a very positive.
A very
person.
firecrackery.
A very positive person. I surprise myself sometimes. I'm pretty positive.
Okay, so Hania, so let me get this straight. You're 20. I'm 23 and I feel old already. I don't know why. So no, but both are just combined. We're still younger than Humayun Saeed. Because he's 46. Yeah,
Camera do look at. Yeah.
Yeah. You know, lots of people want to know कि Hania Amir क्या is she going to university? तो लोग बहुत परेशान हैं. They don't want असल में because lots of people is she studying what's happening? मैंने कहा I'll ask her when she comes to the show. क्या scene what's happening?
I really want to, but the schedule is so busy that I just can't. So, but I'm trying side by side. I'm applying to this place.
So you've done your A levels, I believe, है ना?
Yeah. I've even spent like three semesters of my university, and then I just yeah.
So मुझे याद है I uploaded a photo of you on Galaxy and एक comment आया था 2-3 बंदियों के. They were actually having a discussion कि oh my god she used to wear a burqa in college. Look at her now. ये क्या कर रही है? Hania में burqa? Not that I'm judging anybody who wears a burqa.
Yeah, bro.
burqa.
Like okay.
But what was that like? Did you wear a burqa कभी?
You see me right?
Yeah.
How I am.
I don't know. I'm asking you.
I don't like this. No, not that point. But you see me as the person I am.
Yeah.
I don't like hold back from doing things that I want to do. So there was a point where in my class, in my school, there used to be this girl. She was a senior. She used to make this turban. Okay? Her name was Rabia. So Rabia, you're watching. So used to make, I really liked that. And I always wanted to do it. So my family moved to Ahmedabad, and over there it's very conservative. People take scarves, and I was like, why not? I can try it here without being judged by too many people.
Yeah.
So I tried that, and I started wearing the scarf in my own way, like with the turban, and for me it was really cool. But then I started I started seeing people who were like, वो सोच रहे थे कि हाँ ये उसके लिए करिए, and then I started feeling कि मैं शायद it's not for the right reasons, and it shouldn't be there, and then I just felt uncomfortable. I took it off.
But there was a burqa beach mein. It happened.
It
it's
was
true.
a hijab, not like a burqa. I would wear jeans and a t-shirt, and I just put my turban on,
Oh, okay. So you mentioned you started your journey with dub smashes.
Yeah.
So how about we make a dub smash right now?
No.
Why?
Okay.
That was so easy to convince. Okay, so there's one of Humayun Malik का वो जो बोल का dialogue जो है.
जब खिलाड़ी सकते तो
I thought you'd make a
You
fun.
know, once I did this. Okay. How about I give you a really cool story and not a dub smash?
Why not a dub smash? चलो कोई और कर लेते हैं.
अच्छा कोई और कर, but this is really cool story behind it. Okay, so I was in Thailand. I just want to tell you the story. I was in Thailand.
Okay.
I wanted food. I was really hungry. I had just come back from shoot and I was really hungry. So I called them. I'm like, do you have this? Like, no ma'am, no khandu. I'm like, okay. Then I turned. I'm like, do you have this? No. I'm like, जब खिला नहीं सकते तो पैसा क्यों करते?
You did that
I did that on the phone. It's like, sorry man, what? Like, just send me a freaking cheeseburger. Okay, bye. Now you do something for me.
I'll do after the show.
What?
I'll make a dub smash with you, obviously. So I remember when I last interviewed you, जब जनान आ रही थी.
How when you ignored me? Okay.
अच्छा याद है?
नहीं, everybody at that time.
नहीं,
ये कौन है?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं हुआ था. We did interview you. हमने इसको लगाया भी था. And people like that as well. But the funny thing was तब Armeena, Bilal and Ali Rahman, you were like the newest of them all, like the fresh बंदी, ठीक है? But somehow now you're a bigger star as compared to Bilal, Ashraf and Ali Rahman. So how does that feel?
I don't think about that at all.
But you're चलो at least you're a
It's
star
not a
now,
reality
ठीक
in
है?
my life at all.
एक star तो बन गए ना भाई, 1 साल हो गया है.
Yeah, okay. I don't know. I like it. Like people respect me and they think I'm
Because you guys had a
talented.
really a cool friendship thing happening back then. So are you guys still in touch?
Yes, I mean, I keep meeting them and we're all cool. Like we don't like text every day, but whenever we meet, it's very nice.
Do you think this industry has real friends? People have real friends in the industry?
Very less.
Very less.
Yeah.
So let's talk about Naam Maaloom Fraud 2, which
Yeah.
was your second film.
Yeah.
So have you seen the film obviously? तो कैसी लगी film
3
आपको?
times.
कैसी लगी film आपको?
हाँ मुझे पता है आपको पसंद नहीं आएगी.
I'm asking you.
I really liked it.
Like the film?
Yeah.
So you went around saying कि मेरा तो उसमें cameo है, मेरा तो उसमें supporting role है. तो what was that?
No,
about?
I didn't say a cameo.
Because I remember पहले जब डॉन का एक आर्टिकल आया था से बड़ी मसला बना था एकदम से कि you said कि I am the leading actress in the film. Then Urva's team was like Urva is the leading actress in the film और एकदम से controversy छोटी सी हो गई थी.
Yeah, I saw
And the
that.
film came and like what was this?
See such things in the industry. You're like, what? Let me live. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, they like want to talk about my breathing, you know, like I don't know, like Hania Amir just like she just looked at Momin in a weird way. Article.
We're talking about the internet trolls, when Naam Maaloom Fraud came out, you wore those hot pants in a sequence, ना? तो उस पे लोगों ने बहुत कमेंट किए थे. तो does that get to you कि जब लोग ऐसे कमेंट्स कर रहे होते हैं कि ये जी वल्गर है, फहाश है, what not?
फहाश है यार, वो तो देखो
होते हैं उर्दू वो जो आते लिखे हुए ये
तो पता
देखें.
है मसला क्या है, मैंने एक चीज़ नोटिस किया, वो मैंने चलो हॉट पैंट्स पहने, वो मैंने खुद भी बाद में बोला कि आई शुडंट हैव डन दैट बिकॉज देयर आर लिटिल गर्ल्स हु आर फॉलोइंग मी एंड दे लाइक हानिया आप ही बाजी टाइप. So because also when I stepped into the industry, my family was also like, look at that woman, look at that actress, they show skin and this and that, that's why they're doing this, you'll also do this. तो I never wanted to be that woman कि मुझे लोग बोले कि वो हानिया आमिर को देखते हो तो ऐसे कपड़े पहनती है, so that kind of thing. So because of that I felt bad and I apologized. I was like, bro, I shouldn't have done that, like in my interviews whatever I gave. So that was the only thing.
Let's get to the phone segment. So अपना phone आप निकाल ले. So
चाहिए
दे दे.
नहीं.
Okay, so let's start with the basic ones. What's the last photo you took?
यार मुझे किसी ने कुछ स्क्रीनशॉट भेजी होगी, आई एम श्योर. नहीं ओह ये वो मैडम कंवल ने मेरी और आपकी तस्वीर खींची है वहाँ से बैठ के. Look at us.
Yeah.
Explaining my life.
Okay. So how many photos do you have on your phone? This should be an interesting number.
9,344 photos, 1,765 videos.
ज़्यादा नहीं है वैसे. I was imagining ज़्यादा होंगे.
बहुत सारी है.
मेरे भी 16,000 है. Although it's PR stuff, obviously most of the PR. आप लोगों की तस्वीरें ज़्यादा है, मेरे
This
फोन
is
में
just
मुझसे
me,
ज़्यादा है.
just me.
Just you. Okay, so
Yeah.
that's a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, so last friend request किसको भेजी Facebook पर? नहीं याद होएगा.
Unfriend जरूर किया था.
Unfriend किसको किया था? So Instagram पे last message किसको भेजा है?
देखने दो. That would be funny. यार लास्ट मैंने कायरा को किया हुआ है और एक दानियाल को भेजा हुआ है.
वो दानियाल.
दानियाल जफर एंड कायरा चौधरी.
What did you send Daniel Zafar?
यार दानियाल को मैंने क्या भेजा है?
क्या भेजा है?
यार it's probably something really weird, I don't know.
Let's see.
अच्छा वो लोड नहीं हो रहा
किस वाले
लेकिन
इमोजी
आखिरी
भेजे आपने कोई?
आय हाय नहीं आखिर नहीं वो लोड नहीं हो रहा लेकिन आखिरी मैंने लिखा हुआ है दोस्त सच बताने के लिए ही होते हैं. Apparently मैंने कोई पॉइंट मारा
Advice दी होगी कोई,
कुछ
अच्छा.
बोला होगा and then I messaged Kaira. She
Okay.
thought I was getting my eyebrows tattooed and I was like नहीं मेकअप कर रही है बोली. What are you talking about?
Okay, what app do you use the most? Not a social media app, obviously.
WhatsApp?
नहीं, social media के अलावा.
I don't know, YouTube?
Okay, चलो ठीक है. Okay. So हानिया आपकी जो अगली फिल्म आ रही है प्रवास है जुनून, people are really excited to see you in
I
that.
am also very excited.
So उस फिल्म के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताएं, the cliched सवाल. What's it like?
God, you promised me you won't ask me boring questions.
People need to know प्रवास है जुनून में हो क्या रहा है. लोगों को नहीं पता कुछ भी.
यार परवाज़ जुनून में बहुत कुछ हो रहा है.
अच्छा.
परवाज़
चलो
जुनून में-
let's make an interesting question. Mahira Khan was supposed to do the film, and now you've replaced Mahira Khan. So, but how does that feel?
Awesome.
Okay.
I never replaced her. They would only take who they wanted. Like maybe if they were, because पहले भी मुझसे पूछा गया था and I said if this is true then oh my god, oh my god.
You know Mahira Khan, है ना?
Yeah man, she's so cool. She's very cool.
Because initially it was supposed to be Usman Khalid Butt, Hamza, Ali Abbasi, and Mahira Khan. Then Hamza तो है अभी है Usman जगह Ahad Raza Mir came in, then you.
Hamza game strong है देखा.
Hamza game strong है. चलो okay, professional life एक side पे what's happening on the personal front? Hania Amir, is she single? Is she seeing somebody? People want to know Hania.
यार I am as single as it gets.
Because आप तो apparently हर किसी को डेट मारी होती हैं, आप
हाँ.
डेट मारी होती हैं, कभी
मैं
कुछ करी
अगर
होती
देखें
हैं.
अभी मैं आपका सेट पे हूँ अभी they'll be like I'm dating you.
Done है.
ये सीन है बस because okay I actually think I'm like really friendly. So people like if she's laughing with that person, she's probably तो काफी because the kind of environment here this is. So you would know that the kind of stories they make up and then you're like अच्छा इसके साथ भी सीन है मेरा how cute.
So you're saying nobody, you're single.
No, yeah man.
And ready to mingle?
No.
चलो on that note, let's play a game charades.
Charades,
So I have this app with me जहाँ पे फिल्मों के नाम होंगे play and you'll have to act them out for me and I'll guess them, ठीक है?
I heard. अच्छा.
I है क्या? You're a good actress, Anya.
They think. So they say.
So अगर कोई थोड़ा मुश्किल हो तो मुझे बता. I'll just pass it, ठीक है?
Oh God! Oh my God! It's too much pressure.
भाग मिलकर भाग. Brothers. सुल्तान. 3 words. 3 भाई हैं. 3 3 idiots. दाढ़ी वाले लोग हैं.
Like like beating each other up and like 3 people like kids.
I'm passing this.
3 girls like.
Oh, Dangal ना?
Wow.
क्या है?
You don't know this? You don't even know the melody?
इसमें से बोलो.
Like like.
दिल वाले तो नहीं ले जाएंगे. कुछ होता है.
Like door like.
कभी खुशी भी काम.
क्या करूँ इसका?
लाइट, दीवार, छत, घर, हाउसफुल.
से बाहर.
आसमान.
अभी क्या निकला है?
I don't know. क्या निकला हुआ है? चांद.
उसकी क्या होती है?
मूनलाइट.
उर्दू में क्या?
सिटी लाइट.
उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं?
मूनलाइट. चांद की रोशनी. चांदनी. Okay, Hania. So on that note, we'll end the show, but we'll not let you go without the rapid fire. So for that, we need to be all fiery, and the answers need to be rapid. Okay? Let's start. नाम मालूम फातू और जनान.
जनान.
TV और film.
Film.
Ahad Razamir और बिलाल अब्बास. The Brighter Future.
Brighter future.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Why?
I'm skeptical about those.
दोनों ही नहीं है.
दोनों में पता है दोनों का.
सबा कमर और सजल अली. The Better Actress.
सबा कमर bro.
कराची और इस्लामाबाद.
इस्लामाबाद.
And actors from the current lot you see as competition. कोई competition नहीं है.
कोई सीरी नहीं.
An actor you can't wait to work with next on a project.
Do I get options?
कोई भी.
I'm really looking forward to working with Bilal because I want to see कि क्या जो buzz हो रहा है ना.
Okay.
Let's see what's happening.
So one thing you would like to change about your body.
My body.
Yeah. If you
Nothing.
कुछ भी नहीं. No surgery happening. मैं कुछ products के नाम लूँगा. You have to sell those products. You have to be like वो होता है ना जो ये.
क्या यार ये मंजन में छुआएगा.
Okay, so let's start with the famous cream.
Pfizer beauty cream. इस्तेमाल कीजिए गोरी रंगत पाइए.
Okay, now you sell shoe polish.
How do I? Shoe polish. इस्तेमाल कीजिए काले जूते पाइए.
Okay, the last one. Wax strips.
क्या करूं? Wax strip इस्तेमाल कीजिए साफ हाथ पाइए.
What is something that these people have that you don't have?
Okay.
Mavra Hussain.
A lot of followers, I guess.
Kubra Khan.
An accent. A
have an
British
accent?
accent.
You have an accent? अच्छा British ठीक है.
Yeah.
Maya Ali.
Great acting skills.
Sajal Ali.
The eyes.
अगर हम लोग इन जगह में जाएं हमें कौन मिलेगा? Gym.
Daniel Zafar.
Plastic surgeon.
मैं भी शायद.
Okay.
Like all just obvious answers. हाँ.
A divorce lawyer.
Divorce lawyer. Me.
Why?
I'm very like I'm like that person people come to me with
अच्छा.
cases. I'm like हाँ अच्छा फिर अच्छा मैं phone करती हूँ.
Okay, what's the meanest thing that someone said to you on Instagram?
On Instagram.
या कहीं पे भी.
यार Instagram तो बहुत funny है यार. उधर से थोड़ी सी कॉलम अभी नजर आ रहा है ना अभी
हाँ.
comment आएगा हराम आपका गला नजर आ रहा है या आपका एंकल नजर आ रहा है आप दोज़ख में जाएंगे.
Okay, on that note, one female celebrity you wouldn't mind being a lesbian for?
पाकिस्तानी.
हाँ.
यार. Let me think about that. बताओ ना कोई बताओ.
Mahira Khan.
Mahira Khan. Mahira Khan. Why not? Yeah.
Okay, what's the most overrated film?
Overrated film.
Pakistani.
पता नहीं मैं ज़्यादा देखी नहीं है.
TV show बता दो.
Underrated, I can tell. I think Bachana was pretty good.
Well, that was really good actually.
Yeah.
अच्छा, कुछ अब allegations हैं आप पर, you have to respond to them, ठीक है? हानिया आमिर fakes her accent.
हाँ यार, totally. What?
Okay. What is this girl high on?
I don't know. This is just me, guys. This is okay. Accent was as okay. I'll tell you. I'll just make it clear.
Okay.
When I was in 3rd grade, I had 2 best friends. One was American, one was British. I used to have a very messed up accent at that time, okay? And I grew up with that accent. There was a point where I used to talk like Kubra. There was a point in my life, okay? So, but then, फिर मैं पाकिस्तानी स्कूल में चली गई and everything. But you know the thing is, आपके स्कूल में it's always American English. So there's like a twang of American, but it's not.
ठीक है, we get the story, ठीक है. Okay.
So yeah, next allegation please.
Next
What is high on?
हाँ. Life.
Nothing. It's just me. This is how I am. Deal with it.
Okay. हानिया 2-3 साल की मार है, then she'll be nowhere.
चलो देखेंगे यार. मतलब मैं कौन सा रहने आ गई हूँ?
The last one. She's all PR.
I'm all PR.
मतलब PR push, PR boost.
यार पता नहीं यार अगर कुछ ना होता तो लोग क्यों लेते हैं?
Okay. So अगर हम लोग, if we were to go into these actors' rooms, what book would we find? You could make up a name of the book as well, ठीक है?
यार ये क्या है?
Meera.
How to stand out in a crowd.
She already does that.
So she should be learning about it.
Okay. Bilal Ashraf. Idiots Guide name करते हो सारे, ये बेहतर है
हाँ?
Idiots Guide कोई बना लो इस तरह की ना, how to.
यार I don't अच्छा how to वाले. Bilal Ashraf, how to. I think he should have how to crack good jokes.
Okay.
Funny jokes.
Okay. Sahil Lodi.
I don't know the dude. How to be a star on your own show.
Yeah, he does that वैसे. Okay, rate 1 to 10 on sex appeal, ठीक है?
Sex appeal?
Yeah, like the hotness.
Yeah, no.
Fawad Khan.
I'm 17 years old. What are you talking about?
20.
PG-18 सवाल है.
Fawad Khan.
Sex appeal.
Yeah.
7.
Usman Khalbat.
7.
Shreya Munawar.
7.
7. Shan. 7.
7.
Who do you find hot than Hania Amir? Like really hot.
Nobody here.
Okay. So, but at last we want you to do some mimicry because अभी आपने बहुत मजे की थी. Off camera now. The cameras are rolling.
Okay.
And how about you do a little bit of Kubra Khan for us?
Hi guys, how are you doing? I just landed in London and guess what happened? Like, you know, they called me for a date. I'm like, no way that's happening. What are you talking about? I'm just like, okay, whatever, BS. I'm just trying to, you know, I'm gonna stay at home for like a week and I'm not getting them dates. It's like, oh honey, so how are you? Yeah, I saw your text. Oh my god, thank you for following that page. That's so sweet. And how are you, Lumdar bhai? Everybody like सबसे पूछ के, okay, do you guys need something from London? Okay, bye. मतलब पूरे खानदान को एड्रेस करती है वो एक वॉइस नोट में. Oh god. Yeah.
Sajal Ali. You did really good, Sajal.
देखिए मेरा मानना तो है कि टैलेंट होना चाहिए बंदे में. अगर आप मुझसे पूछें तो पर्सनली मैं तो कहूँगी पर्सनली कि आप में बस एक्टिंग अगर नहीं आएगी तो मतलब क्या हो सकता है. आना ज़रूरी है बिल्कुल.
Oh,
ये तो मैं तो कहती हूँ कि
She's so good.
Another thing she does, okay. रंगरेज़ा 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 रंगरेज़ा.
We love you, Sajal.
Like,
She's a sweetheart. Okay, Hamza Ali Abasi.
yeah, he's so different in like real life. Random call, yeah. हाँ बाजी क्या है ठीक. अगर अच्छा क्या हाल है भी नहीं पूछेगा. It just starts from अगर बेबी को सैंडविच में केचप क्यों नहीं पसंद है? हमजा क्यों नहीं पसंद है? क्योंकि बेबी को मेयोनेज़ पसंद है. And I'm like, I start stitching like, oh God. And then when people at the interviews they're like, तो हमजा के साथ काम करना कैसा था आपका? बड़े serious और बड़े political. Like, what? Do you know him? What are you talking about?
Okay.
He's nothing serious.
Okay, let's do one last mimicry. You know Meera?
मेरा जय.
इंडिया गई recently अब मीरा जी.
मेरा जय नहीं मैं नहीं कर सकती. Somebody told me the story about her, like she just like wiped her makeup off or something, and she was complaining. She was like actually she's apologizing to the makeup artist. She was like, शाजी आप मुझे मारे, आप मुझे मारे, आप मुझे जूतों से मारे, मैं बहुत बुरे इंसान हूँ. I fulfilled my ख्वाहिश of meeting Matheera once.
We had in the show as well. She was very honest and very. Not that you were not honest, yeah.
Andre.
Oh, Matheera, yeah.
No, Matheera meets me once, so I met her. Okay, that's a cool story. So I met her, and then she's like in her hoodie and like, you know, full like shady and everything. I'm like, what's wrong? So I look at her, she's like, and I go to meet somebody who she's standing with. She's like, तो मैं मेरे घर पे सारे प्यारे बच्चे के नाम से जानते हैं. I'm like, really? She's like, हाँ तुम्हारा वो ड्रामा आता है ना, मेरी अम्मी को बहुत पसंद है तुम. Hey, you're so cute.
Okay.
Matheera likes me. Matheera's mom likes me, guys.
Well, guys, thank you so much for tuning into One Take. अगर आपको शो पसंद है, please like करें, subscribe करें, share करें, comment करें. Hi, this is Mohammad Ali Munshi, and do subscribe to One Take, which is your one-stop shop for everything that's hot and happening in the entertainment industry.